Alright, so this isn't your regular veggie salad. It's a traditional Romanian dish called salata oltenească. The closest English translation would be Oltenian pickled salad. It's crunchy, colorful, and great to have a jar or two ready for your meals. Let me show you how. This salad needs the veggies sliced thin, so I'm using a mandolin. It makes clean, even cuts and saves a lot of time. Just keep an eye on your fingers. If you don't have a mandolin, a sharp knife does the job just fine. The order doesn't matter much. I'm starting with the cucumbers, then bell pepper, onion, carrot, and finally the green tomato. After slicing it, I chop the pieces smaller so they match the rest of the veggies. Then I added the shredded cabbage. And yeah, realized I needed a bigger bowl. Time to add the salt, sugar, spices, and vinegar. Mix it all up really well to help the flavors come together nicely. I'm also adding a little optional touch, just a drop of 18% SO2, which is basically a food preservative. It keeps the colors bright, the veggies crisp, and helps them last longer without losing that fresh crunch. Cover it with a plate or a lid and let them sit overnight or up to 24 hours. Give it a mix once or twice during that time. It helps everything pickle evenly. When the salad is ready, start by sterilizing the jars and lids. Wash and rinse them well, put them on a tray and slide them into a cold oven. Set it to 150 degrees Celsius or about 300 Fahrenheit and leave them for 15 minutes. Then just open the oven door and let them cool down. You'll also need one last ingredient, a piece of horseradish root, small or medium depending on your jar size. Its main job is to keep the veggies crunchy. Just keep in mind, less is more. Adding too much will give a sharp, stingy kick to the salad. Now just pack everything into the jars and press it down firmly to push out the air. Top it up with some of the leftover liquid, screw the lids on tight, and store them in your pantry. They'll stay good for up to a year, still crisp and full of flavor. And that's it, Oltenian pickled salad. Enjoy! If you found this recipe helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribing for future recipes. Or check out one of my other videos, you might find something you like. Until next time, bye!